In this video, we are going to talk about Jupiter into the sign of Leo through the nakshatra of Magha, Purva Falguni, Uttara Falguni, and Padas and more. So keep watching. Namaste and welcome to Pramanik Astrology channel. I'm your host Prasad Mahazani. Help you raise your vibrations and become your true self with the help of Vedic astrology. On this channel, you'll be getting Vedic astrological videos which will help you learn Vedic astrology step by step. This video will be in 3 or 4 parts. First part we will talk about the planet Jupiter. In next part we'll talk about the sign of Leo. In the next part we'll talk about Jupiter through the nakshatra in the sign of Leo, like Jupiter through Magha, Jupiter through Purva Falguni and Uttara Falguni. And then we'll talk about Jupiter through the sign of Leo. I'll put a timestamps for all of this into the description section. If you want to jump to any of these, you can directly go and watch that section. Let's get started. First, Jupiter. What is the planet Jupiter? We have already made a separate video on this. Jupiter is the planet of expansion. Jupiter is the planet of positivity, abundance, wealth, honesty, virtues, guru, and knowledge, wisdom, income and addition, growth. All these things can be seen. Children can be seen with Jupiter. So Jupiter is all about which is positive and good in one's life. Next, the sign of Leo. The sign of Leo is ruled by Sun. So it has all the significations of Sun, of reliability, stability, vision, authority, leadership, consciousness, vitality, health, father, bones, government. All these things can be seen. Career can be seen with Sun. Okay, and Leo has an impact of Sun. So all these significations can be seen profoundly into the sign of Leo. Next is the sign of Leo is fixed sign. Fixed signs are the signs which are just next to the Chara sign. Chara signs are 1, 4, 7, 10. Fixed signs are 2, 5, 8, 11. Fixed signs confirms and establishes the changes initiated by the Chara signs. Okay, so whatever initiated in the Chara sign, fixed sign fixes it. As the name suggests, will fix this, will establish it, that change. Next, the sign of Leo is one of the Dharma trine sign. It is always about the Dharma. Dharma literally means Swadharma, which is your own element. Okay, is to know your purpose and aligning yourself to that purpose. So the self-consciousness of the Sun guides the person towards what resonates with their own self. The sign of Leo is a fire element sign. Fire element sign shows all the qualities of creativity, and also it holds the qualities of intuition. You will be surprised to know that fire signs are intuitive, but these signs are intuitive and creative. The sign of Leo has 3 nakshatras. First is Magha nakshatra. It is Dasha ruled by Ketu and it has the deity as ancestors or Pitri. Now when Jupiter comes in here, Jupiter is transforming from the water sign of the Cancer to the fiery sign of the Leo. So it is the transition, it is the Gandanta point. The first pada of the Magha nakshatra goes into the Aries Navamsha, which is the friend of Jupiter. But due to this transition and transformation of Gandanta, Jupiter feels the challenge in this pada. The next pada into the Magha nakshatra goes into the Taurus Navamsha. Here Jupiter tries to stabilize. Here Jupiter tries to understand this fiery sign of Leo even more. Okay, the next pada of the Magha nakshatra goes into the Gemini Navamsha, which is ruled by Mercury. Okay, so this is also not a friend of Jupiter. So Jupiter finds challenging into the third pada of the Magha nakshatra as well. Now comes the fourth pada of the Magha nakshatra. Fourth pada of the Magha Nakshatra goes into the Cancer Navamsha. Now, this brings back Jupiter into its own element. Now, here Jupiter gets exalted into the D9 chart. When you have Jupiter into the sign of Leo, into the fourth pada of the Jupiter, fourth pada of the Leo, fourth pada of, not Leo, fourth pada of Magha Nakshatra, it gets exalted into the D9 chart. And now Jupiter is back. Now it performs at its highest positive level. Next nakshatra is Purva Falguni Nakshatra. Purva Falguni Nakshatra has 4 padas. The first pada of a Purva Falguni Nakshatra goes into Leo Navamsha. Here the planet goes into the Vargottam Navamsha. Here the planet Jupiter is into the sign of Leo, is into the nakshatra, is into the sign of Leo in D1 and is into the Leo pada, so goes into the D9 chart into the sign of Leo as well. It makes this Vargottama Navamsha, and Jupiter does great job and operates at its highest positive level in this pada. The next pada of the Purva Falguni Nakshatra goes into the Vargo Navamsha, which is ruled by Mercury, which is not a great friend of Jupiter. Though Mercury is all about the intelligence and Jupiter is about wisdom, but they hardly have anything in common to really get associated with this. So yes, this will give you mixed results. Okay. Now Jupiter goes into the third pada of the Purva Falguni Nakshatra, which goes into the Libra Navamsha ruled by Venus, and it gives mixed results. The fourth pada of the Purva Falguni Nakshatra goes into the Mars ruled Scorpio Navamsha. Here Jupiter does extremely well. Jupiter does great into the water signs. Jupiter loves to operate in the water sign. It gets exalted into the sign of Cancer. It is in its own sign in Pisces, and it is in its friend sign of Scorpio. So he loves to be in the water sign. So when it goes into the fourth pada of Purva Falguni Nakshatra, it goes into the Scorpio Navamsha, and here he feels at friend's home. He feels comfortable into the sign of Scorpio, and he tries to dive deep into the occult and mysticism as well with its wisdom. The first pada into the Uttara Falguni Nakshatra is also one of the Pushkar Navamsha. The planet, when placed into the first pada of Uttara Falguni Nakshatra, becomes powerful, and these planets get power depending upon their significations and the overall context of the chart. But yes, they do well into this pada. Now, what happens when we have Jupiter into the sign of Leo, the planet of positivity and abundance and optimism goes into the sign of Self. So these people are confident about themselves. The planet of virtues, values, morals goes into the fixed sign of the self-consciousness, Leo. Now here a person becomes strong-minded and he has great conviction about his beliefs, about his higher beliefs. So the person with the Jupiter into the sign of Leo has a conviction about his beliefs. Next, the planet of the teacher and guru goes into the sign of leadership. So these people have a great knowledge to lead. These people can become great leaders. We need leaders with Jupiter into the sign of Leo, because these people have the wisdom of Jupiter and the leadership of Sun. So these people are well guided and have a great sense of leadership at the same time. The planet of teachers and guru and knowledge goes into the sign which is about leading, and it is also about the strength and vitality. So this makes these people great teachers. These will be the inspiring teachers who will inspire their students to become their best versions. They will inspire them with the wisdom of Jupiter. They will show the authority. They will give them the wisdom and will inspire them, or will inspire them to thrive for the best possible version of themselves. Okay, so yes, this was Jupiter into the sign of Leo, as much as I could hold, grasp and share with you guys. If you want to dive deep into Vedic astrology, these two videos on your screen, go and watch them. Those will help you to get started into Vedic astrology, dive deep into Vedic astrology, sending you tons of positive energy, sending you high vibes. See you in the next videos. Love and peace.